So ultimate source of happiness is within ourselves. More compassionate mind, then that person automatically, you see, reduce anger, suspicion, frustration, these things automatically reduce. So therefore, now in education, we should include education about our mind. So now, India's existing education should combine with 1,000-year-old India's education, how to tackle our emotion. So India is the only nation who can combine education about materialistic oriented education and including science, technology, very important, very good. At the same time, ancient India's education about ahimsa, karuna, through training of mind and full knowledge tackle our destructive emotion. That's India's tradition. Now that must combine with modern education and these ancient. So this is not something like bring from outside. No, India's own tradition. So only question is revival and combine modern education and ancient Indian knowledge. This physical, not Indian, Tibetan, but my mind more Indian than those modern educated Indian. They do not know these things. Now this is beginning of 21st century. So if we start some systematic sort of program, then I think later part of 21st century, I think India can make a significant contribution for world peace through inner peace. Okay. Anger is the most powerful destroyer of inner peace. And self-centered, selfish, that also one sort of source. You should teach your children from childhood. Anger, hatred, these are very bad for their own health and very bad for study.